Hi, I'm Dr. Bhargavi, plastic surgeon from Andhra Pradesh. I have attended the Hair Transplant Workshop at Elegance Vidhyalaya under Ashutosh Shah. And as in residency time, we were not exposed to hair transplant cases, and I was interested in hair transplant, and so I attended this workshop. And it was a knowledge-filled workshop with a great hands-on training. Along with the theoretical aspects, we get a good hands-on like making slits, implanting, harvesting of graft, and I had a very great experience here. The hospitality of the Elegance is so good, and Sir is a great teacher and who explains with great effort all the theoretical aspects as well as the hands-on program of this was very useful. I thank Elegance Vidhyalaya and Sir very much, and I also recommend all the budding plastic surgeons to attend this program. Thank you.